Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best strawberry powder is probably one of the most versatile and convenient ways to enjoy the delicious taste and nutritional benefits of fresh strawberries, all year round. This amazing powder retains the vibrant color and intense flavor of ripe strawberries, making it a perfect addition to smoothies, baked goods, yogurt, and countless other culinary creations. In this video, we will explore the amazing world of freeze-dried strawberry powder, uncovering its unique qualities, uses, and the key factors to consider when choosing the perfect product for your needs. Number 5. Organic Blueberry Extract Powder. It's made from 100% natural freeze-dried wild blueberries. This ensures you get the maximum nutritional benefits. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins like B2, B12, C, and D3, and other essential nutrients. Boost your health the natural way. It contains absolutely no added sugar, additives, or preservatives. Enjoy pure blueberry goodness. It's incredibly versatile. Add it to your smoothies, shakes, or any beverage for a delicious boost. Each pouch provides a 353-day supply. A convenient scoop is included for easy measuring and daily use. It's non-GMO, vegan, and free of gluten, soy, and artificial ingredients. It's a healthy choice for everyone. Enjoy it in its natural powder form for higher concentration and quicker absorption. It's also easier on the stomach. What we like? It's bursting with natural goodness and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. With a 353-day supply, it's perfect for those seeking a convenient and long-term health boost. If you're looking for a daily supplement that supports your well-being, this is the one for you. What people say. Making acai bowls from this powder base has been the perfect kickstart to my mornings. It provides the perfect boost of energy to get my day started. I have had authentic acai bowls in Brazil, where this powder is from. This powder used to make my bowl is comparable to the one from Brazil. The quality is great, the taste is authentic, and it's fresh. This is a fairly large bag of goji berries that are organic and all natural. I eat a handful every morning and feel great. I just eat them plain, but I've heard some people mix them with yogurt or put them in a smoothie. I think they taste great, a little tartness mixed with some sweetness. Plump, chewy, and full of flavor. This brand is much better than the other brand, 2 pounds bag, I bought here, which are much drier. For a few dollars more, it's worth it. We'll purchase again. Number 4. Organic Raspberry Juice Powder. This is our USDA Organic Raspberry Juice Powder, perfect for adding a burst of flavor to your favorite drinks and smoothies. It's made with 100% natural fruit powder from US-grown raspberries. It's completely natural, with no added sugar or artificial ingredients. Enjoy the rich, fruity taste of real raspberries in every serving. It's a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamin C and D, and minerals like zinc and magnesium. Each pouch contains 8 ounces of powder, and a convenient scoop is included for easy measuring. Simply add it to your favorite smoothie or beverage. It's non-GMO and vegan-friendly, making it a healthy and delicious addition to your daily routine. Enjoy the benefits of this superfood. It's great in smoothies, shakes, or even enjoyed on its own. The powder form offers higher concentration and quicker absorption. We use only the finest ingredients. It's free of GMOs, additives, preservatives, artificial colors, flavors, soy, fillers, and gluten. What we like? This USDA organic option is a delicious and convenient way to add antioxidants to your diet. The included scoop makes it easy to measure and incorporate into your daily routine. If you value convenience and organic ingredients, this is your best choice. What people say. Making acai bowls from this powder base has been the perfect kickstart to my mornings. It provides the perfect boost of energy to get my day started. I have had authentic acai bowls in Brazil, where this powder is from. This powder used to make my bowl is comparable to the one from Brazil. The quality is great, the taste is authentic, and it's fresh. The bowls turn out to be the right consistency with a banana. This is a fairly large bag of goji berries that are organic and all natural. I eat a handful every morning and feel great. I just eat them plain, but I've heard some people mix them with yogurt or put them in a smoothie that I think they taste great, a little tartness mixed with some sweetness. Plump, chewy, and full of flavor. This brand is much better than the other brand, 2 pounds bag, I bought here, which are much drier. For a few dollars more, it's worth it. Number 3. Micro-ingredient strawberry powder. This is 100% natural, freeze-dried strawberry powder. It's a delicious and healthy way to add a burst of strawberry flavor to your favorite foods and drinks. It's made from fresh, organic strawberries and contains no added sugars or preservatives. It's also non-GMO and vegan-friendly. Each 1-pound pouch provides approximately a 151-day supply. A single serving is just 1/2 scoop, making it easy to use. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. It's a great way to boost your daily intake of nutrients. Add it to smoothies, yogurt, cereal, baked goods. The possibilities are endless. It retains the natural sweetness and flavor of fresh strawberries. It's made with premium, non-GMO ingredients and undergoes rigorous third-party lab testing to ensure safety and purity. It's free from common allergens. What we like? With a full pound of freeze-dried strawberry powder, you'll have plenty to enjoy in smoothies, desserts, and more. Its natural sweetness means you can enjoy it without added sugars. If you need a large quantity and love the natural sweetness, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I use it in everything strawberry, whether it's ice cream or jam. This dry strawberry powder enhances the flavor in a natural way. I add them to yogurt, smoothies, sometimes just eat a few. I like to put them in a bowl and pour milk over them. Last night I used them to top off chia yogurt pudding. Delicious. High quality. Good flavor. Very tasty and a great value compared to buying the smaller bags at the grocery store. Perfect for adding more fruit pieces to cereal or for camping. Number 2. Nature Restore Strawberry Powder. It's certified organic by Organic Certifiers Incorporated. Enjoy the pure taste of strawberries, knowing it's made with the highest quality ingredients. It contains no preservatives or fillers, just pure strawberry flavor. Taste the delicious, natural sweetness. It's full of flavor and naturally occurring vitamins and minerals. It's a healthy and delicious way to enjoy strawberries. With 8 ounces, you'll get approximately 37 servings. It's packaged in a resealable bag to keep it fresh. As a small business in Orange County, California, we thank you for your support. We hope you enjoy it. You may receive it with our original or updated logo and packaging. The quality remains the same. What we like? This product is USDA certified organic, ensuring the highest quality and purity. It's free from any fillers or additives, delivering pure strawberry goodness. If you prioritize quality and want to support a small business, this is the option for you. What people say. It added great strawberry flavor to the icing. I received many compliments. This is amazing. Add to plain Greek yogurt for more flavor. Add to ice water. Use it to make strawberry shortcake ice cream crunch topping. So versatile. The quality of the product is great and the flavor is spot on. It's nice to have on hand to add some extra flavor to smoothies or drinks, or sprinkle on top of yogurt. Number 1. Organic Pineapple Powder. This is our USDA organic pineapple powder, perfect for adding a burst of tropical flavor to your favorite recipes and drinks. It's made from 100% freeze-dried pineapples, ensuring that it retains its natural nutrients and delicious taste. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and proteolytic enzymes, contributing to your overall well-being. Enjoy it daily to support your immune system and add a healthy punch to your diet. With its convenient pouch and included scoop, it's easy to measure and add to smoothies, shakes, or any beverage. It's non-GMO, vegan-friendly, and completely free of additives, preservatives, and artificial ingredients. Each 8-ounce pouch provides approximately a 45-day supply, making it a convenient and cost-effective choice. Discover the delicious and convenient way to enjoy the taste of fresh pineapple anytime, anywhere. What we like? This USDA organic pineapple powder is not only great for smoothies but also adds a unique flavor and nutritional boost to your baking. It's packed with beneficial enzymes for overall well-being. If you are looking for a versatile and healthy addition to your kitchen, this is the one for you. What people say. Organic pineapple powder, 8 ounce, freeze-dried surprised me. Firstly, you can fulfill any objections of the recommended spoonful of powder as being 1. Too thin, 2. Not much flavor, and 3. Lack of body by simply increasing the amount of powder. Secondly, let the powder sit and dissolve thoroughly in the refrigerator, make it cold. It works from here. This is what I was looking for to use in smoothies when frozen/fresh pineapple isn't available. The product isn't very strong, so I had to use more than expected. While rather weak, the flavor tastes fresh and works perfectly. I like that it's freeze-dried. Very easy and convenient to use, scoop included in the package, organic, no added sugar. Great supplement to dissolve in hydrating drinks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.